Monuments. Hello, kids. Today we will learn about monuments of India. Kids, do you know what are monuments? Monuments are the buildings which show the importance of a place or an event in history. They are also built to show the culture of a place. Now, let us see what are the famous monuments of India. The first monument is Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his loving wife. It is called the Monument of Love. It is made of white marble. The Qutub Minar is located in New Delhi and it is the second tallest architecture in India. It is made of red sandstone and marble. It is named after Qutbuddin Aibak, the first Muslim ruler of Delhi. Now, the next monument is India Gate. The India Gate is a war memorial located in New Delhi. It was originally called the All India War Memorial. It was built in 1917 and designed by famous architect Edwin Lutyens. The next monument is Red Fort. The Red Fort, also called Lal Killa, is located in New Delhi. It was the residence of the Mughal emperor for 200 years. It has a number of museums. It was built in 1546 by Shah Jahan. Our next monument is Char Minar. The Char Minar is located in Hyderabad. It was built in 1591. It is a symbol of Hyderabad city. It is a monument as well as a mosque. Now I will explain about Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is located in New Delhi. It was completed in 1986. It is one of the most visited monuments in New Delhi. It was designed by Iranian architect Fariborz Sehba. Now kids, we will learn about Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. It was originally known as Shri Harmandir Sahib. It is the holiest Gurudwara of Sikhism. It was founded by Guru Ram Das, the fourth Guru of Sikhs. Now kids, let us learn about Victoria Memorial. The Victoria Memorial is a large memorial building in Kolkata, West Bengal. It was built in 1906 and 1921. It is dedicated to the memory of Queen Victoria. It is a museum and a famous tourist destination. Now, our next monument is Mysore Palace. The Mysore Palace is located in Mysore city in Karnataka. It was built in 14th century by King Yaduraya Vodeyar. The next monument is Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It is one of the most visited monuments of India. The structure is 26 meters high. The tall structure faces the vast waterfall. The next monument is Jallianwala Bagh. The Jallianwala Bagh is situated in Amritsar. It is a memory for 1913 massacre which happened in the garden on 13th April 1913. Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar is located in Delhi. It was built in 1724 by Maharaja Jai Singh of Jaipur. Buland Darwaza. The Buland Darwaza is situated in Fatehpur Sikri. It was built by Mughal Emperor Akbar in 1602 AD. It is also called the Gateway of Victory. It was built after King Akbar's victory over the Kingdom of Gujarat. The next monument is Humayun's tomb. The Humayun's tomb is in Delhi. It was the tomb of Mughal Emperor Humayun and it was built in 1570. It was the first tomb with gardens in India. The last monument is Sanchi Stupa. The Sanchi Stupa is located in Sanchi town in Madhya Pradesh. It was built by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century. Kids, these are some of the most famous monuments of India. Kids, you must try to visit these monuments to learn more about them. I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Bye.